Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you tips and tricks to make your Samsung Galaxy phone more aesthetic. Okay, let's get into it guys. To make your phone more aesthetic, I recommend you to access Samsung Galaxy theme on your setting. You can open up your setting and then you can open up the themes here. And then guys, you can customize your app icon and then your wallpaper and your theme as well. And for example, you can change your icon here. You just need to choose the icon that you like. You can filter it until you get the free icon. For example, I'm going to search for the aesthetic icon. Okay, and you can select top free, and then you're going to choose the aesthetic one. And for me guys, I'm going to choose this one and I'm going to click on download. Okay, you can download the icon and then you can apply it to your phone. Just click on apply and your app icon will be changed. Okay, and this is how it looks. And then you can change your wallpaper. I'm going to go back to the wallpaper section. Wait, it's here. And then I'm going to search for aesthetic wallpaper. And then I'm going to choose this one. You can choose the free wallpaper, and then you will have option to apply it to both of your home screen wallpaper and lock screen wallpaper, or just one of them. But wait, I'm still downloading the wallpaper. Okay, I'm going to apply, and I'm going to apply it to home screen and also lock screen. Click on next, and this is how it looks, and I'm going to click on done. Okay, and let's check it guys. Okay, and it looks so aesthetic, right? But it's according to your style. For me, it's aesthetic, but you can customize it as you like. And then to make it more aesthetic, I recommend you to change your font as well. You can go to the setting and you're going to choose display, and then you can choose font size and style. And for the font, I recommend you to choose this choco cookie, and your font will be like this. That's so cute. Okay, you can also customize your color palette. Just go to the setting and then you can go back, and then you can choose the wallpaper. Wait, I'm going to choose wallpaper and style, and then you can change the color palette. For the color palette, I'm going to choose my wallpaper color, and I'm going to choose this one and click on apply. Okay guys, and that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.